for the very last step for this card is to assemble it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just inking around the edge of the card. I chose old paper, which is the same color that we watercolored the background with. I just wanted it to have a little bit of a darker color around the edges, and this was the easiest way to do it. You can do as much or as little. You could choose a darker brown if you wanted it to have a little bit more shading. I just wanted it to be fairly subtle. And this was the petal that I accidentally colored with the background color, and you actually can't see it at all. So if you do make a mistake like that, just know it can be easily fixed. So that is done. I'm going to score my card base and then fold it. And I like to score it and fold it right in my score pal here. And then I've already got my piece of paper cut. I knew exactly what size I wanted it to be from the beginning because I'd already made a sample card. If you wanted, you could make your piece of paper a little bit bigger and then cut it down to size at the end if you wanted to have a little bit more flexibility over what size it ended up being. I just happen to know. And I just glued it together with some Distress Collage Medium. Sometimes I use that, and sometimes I use my Tombow Multi. The nice thing about the Distress Collage Medium is if you happen to have some glue that seeps out, it dries completely matte so you don't actually see it. So there is our card completely finished. We'll see you on the next card.